2022 was a crazy year for real estate. We saw market going all the way up and then continued its downward trend all the way down to end of December. Hi, this is Herji from eXp Reality. I have worked more than 8 years in construction, doing institutional, commercial, residential projects, and now I'm helping in real estate as well. As per Region of Waterloo Association of Realtors, 7,770 homes were sold in 2022 in Region of Waterloo, which is almost a decrease of 25% compared to 2021. And even on the historical basis, 2022 was the worst year if compared to previous 5 years, and the annual sales were 12.4% lower than compared to previous 5-year average and 8.2% lower than last 10-year average. On monthly basis, 280 homes were sold in December 2022, which is 38.7% lower than December 2021 and 32.3% lower than last 5-year average for the month. The total residential sales in December included 166 detached, down 34.9% from December 2021, 56 townhomes, down 48.6%. Sales also included 33 townhouse units, which was down 47.6%, and 25 semi-detached homes, which is down 16.7%. For 2022, the total residential sales included 4,720 detached, which is down 23.5%, and 1,430 townhouses, down 30.9%. Sales also included 996 condominium units, down 21.9%, and 624 semi-detached units, which is down 24.4%. In December, average sale price in Region Waterloo was $720,000, which represents a decrease of 15.55% compared to December 2021 and 2.1% decrease compared to November 2022. The average price of a detached home was $825,000, represents 17.6% decrease from December 2021 and decrease of 1.7% compared to November 2022. For townhouses, it was $609,000, represents 17% decrease from December 2021 and decrease of 2.1% compared to November 2022. For apartment style condominium, sale price was $460,000, represents a decrease of 7.9% from December 2021 and an increase of 1% compared to November 2022. The average sale price for semi-detached was $616,000, represents a decrease of 18.7% compared to December 2021 and a decrease of 4% compared to November 2022. On year-to-date basis, the average sale price for all residential properties across Region of Waterloo increased 10.2% to $851,000 compared to 2021. For detached home, the average sale price was $974,000, represents an increase of 8.5% compared to 2021. For townhouse, the average sale price was $717,000, represents a 12.1% increase compared to 2021. And for apartment style condominium, the average sale price was $529,000, represents 17.8% increase compared to 2021. And while for semi-detached, average sale price was $736,000, and which represents an increase of 10.9% compared to 2021. The average number of days to sell in December was 25 compared to 11 in December 2021, and previous 5-year average was 24 days in December. The average days to sell in 2022 was 14 days compared to 10 days in 2021, and previous 5-day average was 19 days. While the future homeowners will definitely benefit from the decrease in prices in 2022, but affordability is serious cause of concern right now because the high cost of lending. Waterloo region remains one of the tightest markets in real estate as measured by months of housing supply. Uh, our community is really sought after, and by no means Waterloo is a buyer's market. And during most of 2022, we were living with less than 1.5 months of inventory for selling. And combined with increasing interest rates, is still a challenging market for the buyers. Nevertheless, it's still not the end of the world for motivated buyers. There will always be motivated sellers, and I have been just checking MLS the other day, and I was looking at a couple of deals, and I was like, wow, this is really a good deal. So you have to be patient enough to wait for the right property and the right at the right price that you can afford, of course, and it will follow. And if you look at the trends of inflation, the inflation have not really come under control, but it has stagnated. That if next year, if it follows this trend, the inflation might come under control, which means Bank of Canada might be able to bring that down a bit, so to ease in the economy a little bit, because right now some people are really struggling to make payments with those interest rate hikes. If you have any questions regarding real estate in region of Waterloo, do not hesitate to comment or DM me. I will be more than happy to help you out.